Korean skincare has been taking over the beauty space, and I see some girls on TikTok saying that they think Korean skincare is better for skin of color than Western skincare. I want to quickly say I just got onto Korean skincare and I'm so late, and I feel like as an esthetician, which is kind of embarrassing as an esthetician to say, but I really feel like sometimes I just get caught in my own routine and I like don't change anything up. But I can also attest by these. They doing something over there. They doing something over there that we're not doing over here. There's a couple reasons why I think that Korean skincare may be better for skin of color than Western skincare, and this is my personal reasoning. First and foremost, the number one concern of skin of color and of Black women specifically is hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation comes in a few different forms, but the most prominent form of hyperpigmentation is what is called PIH, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is very easy to get, but it's not so easy to get rid of. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation happens when you pop a pimple, or you have a scab or a lesion in the skin, or any type of trauma that is caused to the skin. PIH typically forms from there. And as we know, when we go out into the sun, hyperpigmentation is genuinely like baked into the skin. It is baked, girl, like a batch of cookies deeper into the skin. I feel like in westernized skincare, we always are talking about actives, right? And what is an active? Actives are essentially things like retinol, AHAs, BHAs, anything that's going to speed up that cell turnover in the skin or exfoliate the skin is typically an active. And then Western skincare, we use actives a lot. Like, we use them all the time. I honestly think that we overuse actives a lot over here. And yes, they do. Actives do have the ability to help exfoliate the skin, to help heal. I don't want to say heal, to help brighten up hyperpigmentation, but we often overuse actives in westernized skincare. I genuinely think that people are exfoliating their skin off, especially from working in the treatment room as long as I did, seeing as many people as I did. Our skin barriers in the Western world are so compromised. We use retinols, we use tretinoin, we use AHAs and BHAs so much to where our skin's barrier, our protective barrier, is constantly compromised. When your skin barrier is constantly compromised, healing hyperpigmentation is so much harder because the skin is inflamed, because the barrier is compromised, and we already have PIH, the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation on the skin. So an inflamed skin barrier plus hyperpigmentation is genuinely never going to heal. One thing about Korean skincare that is amazing is Korean skincare uses a lot more natural and anti-inflammatory ingredients. I speak so much to my clients and on social media, on TikTok primarily, about anti-inflammatory ingredients and how anti-inflammatory ingredients is really gonna be what heals the skin. As humans, we want to maintain an anti-inflammatory environment because inflammation creates issues, okay? It creates issues in the skin. And if we create an anti-inflammatory environment, us as humans, we're able to heal quicker. We're able to just live in a much healthier body. Korean skincare often uses anti-inflammatory ingredients. For example, let's talk about the rise of snail mucin. The snail mucin by COSRX took off and so many people claimed that they loved it. It personally broke me out. It personally didn't work well for me. But the reason why so many other people loved it is because snail mucin is a very well-known anti-inflammatory ingredient. Snail mucin actually triggers a wound healing response in the skin. So many people were able to heal up their hyperpigmentation and their breakouts because of the wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties that snail mucin has. It created a calming environment for the skin to naturally do its thing and heal. Not only that, but snail mucin is hydrating and it's antibacterial, so it just creates a really healthy environment for the skin to flourish. Korean skincare uses a lot of anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginseng, which is great for the skin, snail mucin as we know, green tea, bamboo extract. Those are all really great natural organic ingredients that when used in the skin creates a very anti-inflammatory environment. Also, a popular ingredient used in Korean skincare is licorice root. If you know anything about licorice root, it really helps with hyperpigmentation. Not only that, but K-beauty is found at an amazingly affordable price point, which is huge in the skincare industry. I feel like a lot of the times these super popular luxury lines or pearl lines are so expensive, and it makes it hard for everybody to access. K-beauty is so affordable, and not only that, K-beauty is just years and years, like light years ahead of us in skincare technology. So do I think that K-beauty is better for skin of color? I'm going to say honestly, yeah. And not only just for skin of color, I think K-beauty is just amazing for skin in general. K-beauty, again, formulates with anti-inflammatory ingredients. Anyone dealing with any type of anti-inflammatory issue in the skin, like things like breakouts, hyperpigmentation, so many of those things need anti-inflammatory ingredients. I'm also going to show you all some before and afters of my skin before and after I implemented some K-beauty into my daily skincare routine. Y'all, oh shoot, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, my skin has never looked better and I'm here for it. Make sure that you tell me your favorite Korean skincare product in the comments below because I need to try some new stuff out, and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.